Ms.Miya, and today I'm going to be going to the dealership and I'm bringing you guys with me. So I got a new little mic for my GoPro and it's going to help with the sound quality, I hope. Let's just see if you guys like it, and I want to know if I like it, and let's see if it makes it a little bit better. So I'm taking this little car to the dealership because it has a recall. And for you guys' information, if you have an i3 and you are a person that is under 100 pounds or about 100 pounds and 5 feet tall, your airbags are likely to cause you to have a fatality because I guess the pressure of the airbags are somewhat, I'm not sure about the science or the mechanics of this car, but you're more likely to die if you are 100 pounds and, okay, there's a hair on me, so I'm going to stop that. So if you're 100 pounds and about 5 feet tall, which is me, I'm that exactly, so I'm going to get this fixed, and I don't want to be scared for my life. I mean, I have other things to be scared for my life for, so I'm going to get this done, and we're going to get going. So after driving a bit, I kind of wanted to rethink my words, and I kind of sounded dumb when I said pressure, and I meant the impact of the airbag. The force is able to crush you. I assume you are crushing bones and vital organs. Oh my god. So my dad and I are at a gas station right now. We're actually at Costco. Not sponsored by Costco, by the way, because I'm not sponsored at all. I mean, I barely get any views, but it's okay. I only needed about 1 gallon of, oh wow, like 1.5 gallons. And we had a little bit of commotion. We were arguing about which side of the car was the gas tank, and my dad was right, it was on his side. And that's why he's filling it up, because it's on his side and I don't want to get out of the car.
It's okay.
Yeah. So we're going to Riverside and we aren't able to get there without enough electricity and enough fuel. My car actually takes fuel because it's extended range. So the next time we get there, yeah, see, it's telling us that we probably won't get there with this anyways because of the traffic and how the weather is. Eddie, say hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay. So as you can tell, this is a 5-seater car. It's the BMW X1. It's actually a pretty good car. My sister's been eyeing on it, and so it's pretty cool that we got the chance to drive it because I guess this will make it or break it if we buy it or not later on in the future. It's a pretty small car. It's like a mini SUV. My cousin said it's like a mix of a Mini Cooper and the i8 and the i3, which I have no idea what that means. This is what the car I'm driving for a couple of days, and if you see me, don't be afraid to honk, but I'll probably won't be driving it that long because I have to get my car back.